Ayun, what a great performance by Rico Kamindanaon Performing Arts. At syempre, kasama na din doon ang ating mga cute na cute, mga animal ambassadors. Now folks, give it up for Rico Kamindanaon Performing Arts. Palapakan po natin sila guys. And by the way guys, mamaya at exactly 5:30, are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? Yes. Malakas yung energy ko lagi naman guys. Okay, one more padaw. More energy. Are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? So much energy sa inyo folks. Alright now guys, let's meet our 3 raptors. Una, we'll giving you this welcoming flight. Now may I call on Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. At ayan na siya folks. Very once again guys, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with a scientific name of Halieptus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white and gaster meaning belly, that's why we call them the white-bellied sea eagle. White-bellied sea eagle are commonly found here in coastal areas of Australia, India, and Philippines. White-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines. The wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan po kalapad ang kanyang mga papak, lalo na pag nasa adult size na. Sinatas po, palapakan po natin. Sinatas po. Now, unit na natin ang ating second raptor. Ating ang tatawagin, ang cute, na si Kali, our eastern grass owl. At ayun na siya guys. Alright, now, Kali, what? Yeah! Okay, then once again folks, that is Kali, our eastern grass owl. The most grass owls are predator birds. Did you know that they can able to turn their heads 270 degrees? Grass owls are nocturnal animals. Their very large eyes allow them to collect as much light as possible during nighttime when they hunt. Fun fact about this animal, they are the quietest birds when flying. Hindi po natin maririnig ang kanilang mga papak kapag sila ay lumilipad. Kaya bakit po natin sila guys? That's our last raptor. Natin ang tatawagin, si Pakaspas, our Philippine serpent eagle. Now folks, we will show you how they hampok. Now, Kuya Michael dito is meron. Toy lizard. Alright now, Pakaspas boy, ayan na yung toy lizard mo. We are you know eh. There you go. Folks, once they're in flight, they will lock on and time conquer target. Talents first. They are smart enough to identify which prey are venomous and non-venomous, and will adjust their attacks based on their targets. Because Philippine serpent eagle are endemic here in the Philippines, meaning they can only be found here in the Philippines, which is based from their names. I am previewing mana. Again, if you want to take some photos or videos, again, pwede po. Basta guys, off lang natin yung mga flash natin. Okay? Alright, now folks, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors, but unique dapple crocodile bark, and soon we have 4 species of raptors, namely the Bronchinicite, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, at syempre ang ating eastern grass owl. And that's all for our raptors folks. Palapakan po natin sila at syempre ang ating mga walking trainers na si Kuya Jimar, Kuya Michael at Kuya Dexter. Ayun, uwi na sila. Natin para kalipa.